Now, students, let us understand the concept of m-commerce. To understand this, I come across a very good video from Silver Touch Technologies, which talks what is mobile commerce with precise certain points which are currently updated. So I feel I would like to share this information. I know definitely you all are going to read it from the textbook that what is mobile commerce, but let us understand this in detail with the help of this short movie wherein, since it was a foreign accented video, I converted this into my own sound for your understanding of the particular mobile commerce. So let's start and understand this video. Now, if you student, if you look at current scenario, you find that entire world is totally embedded with the mobiles, and no area, no country you will find the people are not using mobile. In fact, in small villages, the mobiles are being used. Approximately 1.7 billion customers, consumers are there in this forest of mobiles. And I'll definitely say that this mobile has become a new opportunity for a businessman to explore his business with the help of mobile. Mobiles are basically used for communication, and a communication is a heart of any business. To improve the reach for the marketers, they have started using the mobile technology. Today you find that mobile is the only companion which takes you to the virtual world, wherein with your communication to the different people in different countries, you fulfill your dreams. I will say that rather a smartphone has become a companion without whom a person cannot think of living a life. Think how a mobile phone is connected to you. When you want to search something on an internet, you're using mobile phone. When you want to see a movie, you're using mobile phone for entertainment. When you want to play games, you are also using again mobile phone. So gaming is also connected with small children's. So even a small crowd is being attracted towards mobile. When you talk about buying and selling activities, you are again connected with the mobile phone. When we talk about the social marketing, the entire world is connected with social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and where people come across, they talk to each other, they share their ideas. Even the banking industry is connected to the entire world with the mobile commerce. The education industry is also connected with the mobile commerce. The research industry is also connected to the mobile commerce. And if we look at around 65% users of mobiles are using smartphones, and they're checking smartphone every 25 minutes. So a mobile has become an essential part which helps the people for their social networking, for their business, for the social media, for education, and for the entertainment also. When we learn something about what are the habits of a consumer for mobile shopping, we find that around 19% of the people use online services. 30%, 34% check the product availability, 44% read the reviews, 48% looks for the coupon and discount for purchasing, 49% compare the prices, 54% find retailers, 70% smartphone users use the stores to find out their requirement, 74% people do the entire shopping on mobile, and 79% people use mobile as an assistant for shopping. So today, if you look at this entire study, the mobile has become a guide for everyone. So mobile commerce is you can say, an important aspect. Even the mobile is changing our shopping habits also. If you look at your home, you want to buy something from the shop, you go on a mobile site, you use your smartphone, and you select the items in the shopping baskets one by one, and it has increased the mobile purchasing also. Now, let's talk about the study which tells us that how the people and why the people are using this mobile phones. 59% people feel that it is convenient to eliminate queue. People are not having the patience to stand in a queue to buy something. They want to buy it instantly. So they are more dependent upon the mobiles. They serve the site whatever they wanted. 69% feel they love the fact that it is multitasking. While they are working in the office, they can do the shopping. So their time is saved and they get the delivery at their home or at their destination. 73% feel that they save the time with the mobile shopping. So I'll definitely say that a mobile has become a companion, or you can say a magician in the man's world, where he connects from social media to business to education to communication to shopping habits, everything. So we can say a mobile commerce is really an interesting area where the traders should look and take this mobile as their companion. Now, let's talk about how the mobile commerce has set the change in a life of a person. Think about the people go on searching for a product on location based search, and the location based search gets converted into a sale. The probability is 95%. Why? Because people search, they find out how much time is there to get the goods or services, and 95% people are successful in getting the article what they wanted. 88% people feel that the action should be taken very fast and they need the service immediately. So we can say that the mobile has become global and it has also covers the market which is local. So student, I feel Hereby you have understood what is mobile commerce or what is the concept of m-commerce. Now definitely I'll say that you read the chapter and I feel there won't be any queries further. Still, students, if you have any query about the mobile commerce, please to ask me after the session is over. Thank you very much.